apologize, मैं माफी चाहता हूँ यहाँ पे पहुँचने में। आप लोग कल चले होंगे रात को, आप पहुँचे हैं, ये लोग पता नहीं कब चले एयर आए, but it's always a joy to be part of this ensemble cast. You know that except for Aditya and Konkona, I'll be working with you in the same film for the first time. I'm with you say 1.5 times. 1.5 film, one film we did together, and that's beautiful. Once you reach here, then you feel relaxed. So I was cockeyed till it reached here. Then I first adjusted my eyes in the mirror, and I said, okay. And I met you yesterday at the same place, dentist. I was at the dentist today also. No, it took me, I had to keep my mouth open for 1 hour, and now I can keep my mouth shut for some time. I'm happy.
हाय सारा, योर सेंटर राहुल हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा। सना और सारा, आप दोनों से कॉमन क्वेश्चन है। सॉन्ग सना आपसे भी कॉमन क्वेश्चन, फातिमा से, ओके सर, फातिमा सर, कॉमन क्वेश्चन है कि सॉन्ग तो काफ़ी इमोशनल था, सब इमोशनल भी हो गए थे, लेकिन ये एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री है तो एंटरटेनमेंट तो थोड़ा बहुत होता ही है। बिहाइंड द सीन कुछ एंटरटेनमेंट, कुछ और फन मोमेंट इमोशनल सॉन्ग के बीच?
नहीं, हम तो बहुत धमाल करते हैं एक्चुअली। शॉर्ट लेने तब तक हम हंसते ही रहते हैं, मस्ती करते रहते हैं। एंड दादा हैज़ अ ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर। जब भी इनके साथ आप कभी काम करेंगे आपको समझ में आएगा। बट दैट्स इट, इट्स ऑलवेज बीन फन वर्किंग विद हिम। आई लव हिम, दिस इज माय सेकंड फिल्म विद हिम। एंड दादा ऑफर आई थिंक शी इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट। आई थिंक वासुदा बहुत मतलब हंसते खेलते खाते पिलाते काम करवा देते हैं हमें, इससे ज़्यादा देख ही पता चलता सबको।
Anurag Sana here from your center. Of course, as Renuka was mentioning that Mumbai has played an important part in the first film, but we did see a glimpse of Calcutta in this one. Park Street and Sham Bazaar also, I think Pritam has shot there. So what was the reason behind kind of including other cities, and is that also playing a part in this film?
Yeah, every city. Kolkata, Bangalore, Delhi and Mumbai. A little bit in Pune. So I think the film travels in all the cities, and we are connected in a way because there's not much distance in today's time, in two cities. And भले ही एक ही देश में है, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, लेकिन city also plays very important role in our lives. Mumbai in a certain way, Delhi in a certain way, Kolkata in a certain way. I think that's what we're trying to do.
And you spoke about how love has changed. Of course, right now with Gen Z terms like situationships and breadcrumbing, what is the one thing that shocked you most about how relationships have changed in today's society?
Lot of things actually. You'll see in this film. I don't want to say it now. So, lot of things actually. एक तो पहले तो इश्क हुआ है कि उसका भी कंफ्यूजन है। कैरियर करेगी, फैमिली करे, उसका भी कंफ्यूजन है। तो बहुत सारे कंफ्यूजन है, बहुत सारे मसले हैं आज के दौर में। आई थिंक वो सारी चीज़ें जो है इस फिल्म में, क्या खोया क्या पाया, उसका भी सवाल है इस फिल्म में, है कि नहीं? तो एक्चुअली मोहब्बत का हर मौसम है ये फिल्म।
And I'm sure दादा जब फिल्म का ट्रेलर आएगा तो फिल्म से जुड़ी बड़ी सारी बातचीत होगी। फिलहाल के लिए आई थिंक म्यूजिकल, if we keep it to that, मुझे लगता है।
But I have a question for Konkona. Hi, this is Priyanka from Midday. Konkona, of course, you were also in Life in a Metro, and a film which still resonates with everyone, even the current generation. But when you went back to this set, I mean, it was of course a new set, but familiar people, the director. Was it like a homecoming for you? And did you also walk down the memory lane with Dada?
Yeah, it was definitely a homecoming. I was so happy when Anurag called me and he said, and it's so nice to meet people who have such a a playful attitude towards life, because everybody's life has some problem or the other, but there's a very collaborative and playful nature, and also I have deep admiration for his craft. It's just unfathomable how he does what he does, and so I was just like, oh my God, what fun! We can get to do this again, and all I have to do is I have to just trust him. I don't have to worry about anything else. And पता नहीं कैसे फिल्म बन गया. So I was very happy.
Thank you.
All right, we'll take one last question, okay? And उसके बाद वो grand